Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and this video we will see how to model a circular staircase in ETABS. So basically, we have modeled for this dogleg staircase. We have seen the two methods of it. Then we have seen for the this spiral staircase. Now we will see for the circular staircase. In this model only we will see that. Okay. So basically, this is the model present here. For the circular staircase, we will be dealing here. So like this, it will look for the circular staircase. In this model we will be see that first of all we have to draw a beam. Just click on this quick draw beam, then in it choose the property as the beam 200 cross 300, as we have mentioned in the previous model how we have done it. Then you can see that in the 3D view it is properly seen perfectly. First of all, what we will do, we will be just selecting this part, means and right click and show selected object only, means you will not get confused to see properly what it is happening. So as you have selected it only, you can see that it is present in the all story format. Now we will be divide this into two parts. To divide it into two parts, we go to this edit and edit. It is the same way like the spiral staircase, but some different approach we have to do it for. So select it, then we have to go to edit. In edit we have go to this edit frames. In it we have to go for this divide frames. Then after a window will open like this of the divide selected frame window. In it we have to divide into the two frame object. Just click on apply, and you can see that it has divided into two parts. You can see it perfectly in the 3D view also. And we have to choose this for this part. We have to choose this part and just delete it. And you can see that one side of this beam are being completely deleted. Okay, so now the further step, just select this. Okay, you can see that the all story, it has been selected in the all story format. Then we have to go to this edit. In edit we have to go to this extrude. We have to choose here as the extrude frames to shell. Just click on it. Then after a window will open of the extrude frame to shell. In it we have to choose for the radial extrusion. Here we have to choose the point. There are two options, that is the rotate about the point width and increment data. Here we have to put the value as the pick one point on the model, and we have to choose this point. For the spiral we have to choose this point, but for a circular it is the big area, so we will be choosing this area, this point. Just choose this point, and the first part has been completed. Then after we have to choose this increment data. Here for the circular staircase we have to deal here with the 360 degree. Okay, so just put here as a 360 degree divided by number of the stairs. We just want 20 stairs. Okay, in the number format, here we have to put the number of the stairs we need to provide. We are going to provide for the 20 stairs, and here the total drop. What is the total drop? We are as the floor to floor height, it is about 3 meter. Okay, and just click on apply, and you can see that a spiral circular staircase has been completely made like this. Okay, when you just drag and see properly its values, you can see that the circular staircase is being perfectly made. Okay, like this way it works. Now we will see the further detail of it. So for the further details, we just select this in the all story format. Just select this edges. Okay, means this point, no, not this beam. Just go to this foundation level or the base level, and go to this one story format, one story, and unselect this two parts. Okay, this we have unselected. You can see it in perfectly in the 3D view also, that we have unselected this, and above part is being selected. After that we just go to this extrude, go to this above first story one, and then after in it we have to go to this edit. In edit we have to go to this extrude. In extrude we have to go to this extrude joint to frame. Just click on it. Then after a window will of the extrude joint to frame will open. Here in it we have to choose for the radial extrusion. The same detail we have to add whatever we have added for making this staircase. Okay, just pick one point on the model. The same point we have to choose here. Just select this point, and then after in the increment data, here put the angle as the same, that is the 360 divided by 20. The what the angle came as the 18 degree, and here number of the stairs we have to provide. Here you can see that we have to provide here 20, and the total drop, that is the 3 meter, that is the floor to floor height. And after putting all this data, just click on this apply, and the frames are now being extruded. Like this way we do it in the perfect manner. Just click on close, and just right click and just click on show all objects, and you can see that perfectly the circular staircase and this spiral staircase are been completely made. Like this way you make this perfectly. Okay, That's it for the circular staircase. And one more thing, we have launched our course, that is the complete ETABS course from zero to hero, which is present on this Udemy platform. And in this course we are going to deal in the all formats, like all 7 to 8 models we are going to take. In it we have completed till now the 4 models where we have taken in depth, that currently we have uploaded about 11 hours of content. And currently we have deal here with the gravity loads. In the upcoming models we are currently uploading it in the fast way. Okay, so in the upcoming videos we will be seeing that the 3 to 4 models, more 3 to 4 models, and the main contents of the earthquake and the wind analysis, earthquake analysis we will be able to see. And this is completely new course and modified as per the present date. Okay, means it is for the 2026 version. Okay, means the latest version. And here in it we will be covering the less theory, more practical. It will be a practical based ETABS course. Okay, in it when you start, it will be from the basic beginner. It is the beginner friendly course. You will be start with the basic. We will be seeing each and every step very perfectly. And when you move on, then you will be get modified, and you will be go with the advanced option. Okay, and you will be able to model it perfectly. Okay, this course is perfect. And it is present at a minimal prices. Okay, 400 rupees is very low. Okay, and if the it is increases the prices, just comment. I will provide it the link in the description box. In it you can buy this course at a very minimal prices, about 400 rupees. Okay, and by that if the prices are very high, then go check, just directly click on the link in the description box, and you will get directly to this page. And here I will provide the code also in that description, by which you can get the course at very minimal prices. As you know that for the ETABS course, if you go for the offline classes, it is about 15 to 20,000 price of that one course. And they are teaching about 7 to 8 months, and you are not able to understand it properly. I know that, but I know that, that's why I have launched this course, that is the complete ETABS course from zero to hero. Okay, so if you are interested, just go and buy it. And you can see that when you just go to this Udemy and just type here ETABS, you get an option here as the complete ETABS course from zero to hero. That is this uh, thumbnail is being seen here. When you just click on it, you can directly get this option. But I prefer you directly go from this description link, so you can get the more offer. Okay, and at the minimal prices. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next video.